The Girl Who Sneezed Glitter for 7 Days. A magical read-along story for kids. Meet Lily. Lily was a cheerful girl who loved drawing, dancing, and making her friends laugh. But one morning, something very unusual happened. Lily woke up and felt a little tickle in her nose. My nose feels funny. She grabbed a tissue and said, "Achoo!" But it wasn't a normal sneeze. Achoo! A tiny cloud of sparkling glitter flew through the air. Lily blinked. Did I just sneeze? Glitter? Lily looked around her room. Her pillow had sparkles, her blanket had sparkles. Even her teddy bear was wearing a glittery coat. Day 1 of glitter sneezes had begun. Every time Lily sneezed, achoo! More glitter appeared. At school, Lily tried really hard not to sneeze. But then, her friend told a funny joke. Lily laughed. Her nose wiggled. Uh-oh. Achoo! Glitter filled the classroom. Everyone gasped. Then everyone smiled. It looks like a fairy party, said her teacher. Day 3 arrived. Lily wondered, why am I sneezing glitter? She decided to find out. Lily searched her room for clues. Behind her books, under her bed, inside her art box, she found something sparkling. It was a tiny golden jar with a note. The note said, "Magic appears when kindness shines bright." Lily remembered all the kind things she had done, helping her friends, sharing her toys, making people smile. Maybe kindness created the magic, said Lily. Day 5 arrived. Lily's glitter sneezes helped everyone smile. She used the glitter to decorate cards for her neighbors. Day 6 arrived. Lily made glittery pictures for children who needed cheering up. Her magical sneezes were spreading happiness everywhere. On day 7, Lily woke up. Her nose felt tickly one last time. Here it comes! Achoo! The biggest glitter cloud ever filled the room. The next morning, no more glitter sneezes. But Lily didn't feel sad. She learned something special. The best kind of magic comes from being kind. Question of the day. If you could sneeze something magical for one day, what would come out? Rainbows, butterflies, stars, candy?